Want to collect more leads? Let's build a powerful lead magnet in GoHighLevel. Step 1. Log into your GoHighLevel dashboard and go to Funnels. Click plus New Funnel. Then name it something like Free Ebook Opt-in or Exclusive Guide. Add a funnel step. Choose the opt-in page template and start editing. Customize your headline image and call to action. Offer something valuable like checklist, PDF, or free trial. Make sure to include a form that collects name and email. Then, under form settings, integrate it with your email list or workflow. After submission, redirect users to a thank you page or instantly deliver the lead magnet file. Bonus: set up an automation under the Workflows tab to follow up with the emails or SMS. Track conversions using built-in analytics inside the funnel builder. And that's it. Your GoHighLevel ad lead magnet is ready to attract and convert leads like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.